And opiates, I think we are all well aware now that they are quite addictive and can be quite addictive, and recklessly prescribing them to people to get rid of all kinds of aches and pains has been a huge national problem that is leading to deaths. So when we look at these three examples, we can look at all these and say, hey, well, now that the research has caught up, now we can confidently say these things are all bad. And so what's the problem? There's no problem here. The information, our knowledge base has improved, so doctors know more now, so there's no problem here, right, Matt? Like, if the doctors are keeping up to date, then we know that the information is right, and that as patients, as lay people, we can just trust what the doctor says. So the message that people are often missing, the key point that people are missing here, is that the information available is constantly changing over time, and that the information you receive from any one doctor is not guaranteed to be reliable. And that has some very important implications for you as a person.